look how beautiful the water is. I can't believe how beautiful the water's been this spring. It's so clear and blue. I'm telling you guys, this is gonna be a good year. What is going on, guys? It's your man George. You already know what it is. Today, I am at the Grist Mill Tavern here in Plymouth, Massachusetts. Going for a little ride. Let's check it out. Alright, well, today, my original plan was actually to come here and meet with a group of one-wheelers who were planning on doing a little Earth Day ride. Oh, this is cool. We'll wait for them. But they were going to do a little charity Earth Day ride where they're going to come and clean up the path a little bit. But somehow I got the date mixed up. Woo. Hold on, we're coming up to a tough spot here. I don't want to fall. But anyway, they were planning on doing an Earth Day charity ride. And they were going to be picking up trash and stuff, but somehow I got the date mixed up. I'm here a day early, and I can't make it tomorrow. But ain't going to stop me from riding. And I got to say, it's an absolutely beautiful trail here. It goes along this little river, or a stream, I guess. There's a mixture of trails, an actual paved bike path. So we'll have some fun. I'll definitely get some good shots. That's cool. Somebody did all this little artwork on all these rocks out here. That's cool. Yeah, so it looks like this is another rail trail. It's awesome to see all these old railroad systems that kind of got overgrown and unused get turned into something recreational for the communities. Yeah, you find these rail trails all over the New England area. I don't know about other parts of the country, but whoever first started it, it's a great idea. All right, here we are out on Gray's Beach. Absolutely beautiful today. Really a gorgeous day. The only thing is it's really windy. It's gusty is the problem. I kind of wish I had brought the EXN out instead of the V11, but can't complain. It's just nice. Spring is here, baby. Yeah, so the main reason that I didn't take the EXN out today was because I had a new pair of pads I was printing for it that I didn't finish. So I kind of figured I'd just take the V11 out. I was going to be riding, like I said earlier, I thought I was going to be riding with a bunch of one-wheelers today. So I really wasn't worried about range or speed. I figured I'd be the fastest, longest range vehicle in the group. Oh, we got some construction going on down there. But yeah, I thought I'd have the longest range and the fastest vehicle, so I wasn't too worried about it. But now that I'm solo, and it's windy, I wish I had the EXN. But that's all right. I got a new set of pads on the printer. They should be done by the time I get home today, so I'll just have to go for a second ride. All right, here we go. It's a nice little trail. They call it the Nook. Let's go check out what's on the other end. I love these little trails, these little hole walls. They're fun. They add a little challenge to the ride, a little more scenery. It's a little more quiet. I'm a big fan. And they often end up in cool places. What did I tell you? Cool places. It looks like you can come out into the marsh here. I'm sure this is all wildlands though. I'm not going to ride it. It's probably going to be all muddy. But damn, is it beautiful. I can't get rid of it. A lot of the times though, if you just stop and go backwards a little bit, you'll get rid of whatever sticks or leaves are caught up in there. All right, supposedly there's a nice little park right up here on the left. Let's go check it out. Oh man, what an absolutely beautiful ride today turned out to be. I gotta say, even when your plans go awry. Oh, check this out. This is a beautiful little area right here. I love these little wetland areas. Check this out. You know, even though I screwed up, I didn't come out for the ride that I thought I was going to be coming out on. I wound up just finding some absolutely beautiful things. And honestly, because I'm out here by myself, I was able to slow down and enjoy them. You know, sometimes you're riding out with a group, you feel bad slowing people down, saying, hey, stop, I want to get this on film, or I just want to check it out, you know? So when you're riding solo, it gives you a little bit more opportunity to appreciate your surroundings. Do one more little beach stop before we call it a day. My goodness, it is beautiful. run on the way back. Woo! Alright guys, that's going to be all for today's ride. As always, thank you so much for coming along with me. I had a lot of fun. I hope you had fun watching. So until next time, be sure to like the video for me, leave me a comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and until next time, ride safe guys. We'll catch you next time.